is here. I'm shaking. Get out of here. Now. Put a lid on it, buddy. Yeah. Put a lid on it, chum. Look. This place is for customers only. You don't belong here. Now get out. Now. Customers? Don't we look hungry?
Hey, let me buy you a hot dog or something, huh? Hey, man, back it up. We need some fries. Come on, man, move it. Come on, Holmes, move it. You guys looking for some kind of trouble or something?
So you ran their car first? No, that's not what happened. They hit him first.
Yeah, that's what I saw. Okay, hold it. Relax a second, okay? So they took you on.
Yeah, they were drunk, they started in, that's pretty much what happened, yeah.
So it was a hit and run. Yeah, he hit him and they run?
Martha.
So how about it?
Yeah, it was a hit and run, simple as that.
So did you catch those kids? I called it in right away.
Hey, we got it out. We're trying. Hey, why don't we just chalk it up to something like self-defense and let it go, huh?
Let it go? You ought to give the guy a medal.
A medal? Let me caution you. All of you. Don't go around taking the law in your own hands and looking for trouble. Because you're gonna find trouble. Right here.